Chicken and waffles means to me a good old time.
When I think about LA, I immediately think about chicken and waffles. There's just something about that sweet, savory vibe that perfectly encompasses what LA is all about.
To know LA is to be from LA. So if you're not from here, you wouldn't understand. A block really does make a difference. Especially being like a Black woman in LA, I love it. Just the culture we have, our sense of style, the slang that we use, just everything.
LA, weather, scenery, and good food, you know what I'm saying?